In this video tutorial, we will show how Covalent Ligand Docker prepares a ligand with a customized warhead. For the full docking protocol, please watch the tutorial on 5kMW first. The structure 5p9j is a complex of the BTK kinase domain bound with ibrutinib. The ligand tirabrutinib is a second-generation BTK inhibitor, sharing a similar chemical structure with ibrutinib and an alkyne warhead. Here we modify the ibrutinib structure to obtain a tirabrutinib structure using the sketchpad. Select the target residue cysteine 481 and the warhead alkyne in the drop-down menu. We can facilitate this step by clicking the Draw button. This will add the alkyne structure directly onto the sketchpad. Follow the same steps as for pre-reactive ligands by highlighting the warhead atoms in the sketchpad. Then click on Case 1 Generate. This structure represents tirabrutinib linked to cysteine. Once you have finished setting up the ligand, you can close the pop-up window. There should be a green tick mark under the Setup column. Click Next to dock. After waiting a few minutes, the docking results should show as a list.